Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. The first 2 days will be light in terms of economic news. There will be some major events which are, however, unlikely to have a significant impact on the market. Therefore, let's start from Wednesday. So, the last day of October will kick off with the publication of crucial data from China. After information about the slowdown in the growth rate of the world's second largest economy, the market has become increasingly concerned about the prospects for the entire global economy. Such fears have changed the market sentiment, with investors opting for safer assets. So, on Wednesday, China will report on the pace of activity growth in its manufacturing sector. The official PMI gauge focuses on the country's largest companies. In September, manufacturers signaled an unexpected decline in activity to the lowest level since February, during which the Chinese New Year is celebrated. Analysts remain pessimistic about this report and predict a further slowdown in the Chinese industry. The Australian dollar is expected to bear the major brunt of the figures to be unveiled. However, Australia will disclose its inflation data half an hour prior to this report, and if the growth forecast is confirmed, it's likely to partially offset the negative effect from the weak Chinese statistics. During the European trading hours, Eurostat will unveil its inflation report, which is expected to show accelerated consumer prices growth to 2.2% year-on-year. Last month's prices rose by 2.1%, indicating favorable economic conditions in the region. The central bank is focused on inflation data when making its monetary policy decision. It triggers an increase in the core inflation. Signs of prices growing at a faster pace could propel massive loan bets in the euro, with investors' hopes on the ECB to review its plan to hold rates at record low levels. Now let's get back to the beginning of the week and have a look at the upcoming events. On Monday, traders will keep track on reports on the consumer activity, including retail sales data in Japan, Germany, Britain, and consumer income and spending in the United States. Next day, Germany will steal the limelight with its labor market and inflation data. Then, preliminary GDP growth figures will be out in the Eurozone, followed by consumer confidence report in the United States. On Wednesday, the Bank of Japan's policymakers will meet the year's employment change data by year's leading private payroll processor, ADP, will be unveiled. And Canada's GDP growth report will see the light of day. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.